Hello friends, in this lecture we will see next option, and that is hole chamfer milling. We can create chamfer on the circular pattern on the circular hole with the help of this. Okay, from this. So first I'm going to create a tool. So go to tool. This is countersink tool. Select it. Okay, okay, this is my tool, and diameter is 16, included angle is 90, so 45. This chamfer angle is 45, so it must be included angle must be 90. Okay, then only it will work over this chamfer. If it is different, so we have to change this angle. So I'm going to use this. Okay, and see, this countersink tool is this. Now click here. My operation is this. Countersink is my tool. Okay, select the geometry. So geometry is this. Why it is showing like this? Because we use in hole making some diameter. In a diameter we have defined. So go to hole milling, and from feature change this to from geometry. Okay, generate. Okay, now from chamfer milling, let's see, only chamfer is there now. Okay, and drive point is tip. Now click. See, this drive point is this. I will show you. This last point is drive point. So it is creating this chamfering. Okay, and this chamfer offset is 1. So what is this gap? Distance. So this is the again in wireframe, click here. This gap is 1. From this to this gap is 1. Okay, and strategy, extend path as 3. So this is extend is this one, and rest option are the same, so no need to make any changes. And if you want to change this, generate. See, okay, now it is not working with the, it is working with the OD. Okay, let's show me. Okay, now this upper is touching with this, so change it to tip. So only the tool path will generate at the tip of this tool. Okay, and okay, this is the whole chamfer milling.